Hey guys, and welcome. Today we are going to be unbagging my second ever Ipsy bag. If you don't already know, Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription where you get up to 5 beauty products a month, and you take a personalized beauty quiz, and they send you some really awesome things. So yeah, I'm so excited. I've been checking the mail every single day. All of my friends got their Ipsys before me. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so here's that. Ooh, it's a lot bigger than I thought. I really like it. Cool. Check it out. I like it. Put that down because there's something in here. I know what this is. It is a fan brush. Ooh, it is super cute. Check it out. Ooh, I want to feel it. I want to see if it's soft. Let's see. Oh, I love when brushes come with a protective thing like this, because I will keep the fan brush in this actual case for a while. Woo! Oh, I needed one of these so bad. I feel like these are great for highlighters application for a product that's like really, really strong, so that you don't go crazy with it, because sometimes I go crazy and it's a little too much. So this is super cute. Feels hefty. I like that. I'm going to put that in here. Okay, let's see what else we got. So let's open it up. Ooh, I see something in bubble wrap. I like that. This is a City Color Glow Duo. So it's powder and cream. Let's open this thing. Ooh, the powder looks like it's super shiny. It's a cream highlight and a powder highlight. Ooh, very shiny. Let's give it a little. Ooh, it feels pretty good. Let's give it a little. Ooh, okay. So I'm guessing this one is the powder. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm interested in this. I like this. I know City Color is a brand that's not too expensive, but you know what? We're only paying $10 for Ipsy, so I don't mind this at all. Let's see what else. Excuse me. Okay, so there's markers in here, and I saw this already on YouTube that the markers are to color in the bag. And I think that's really fun. I really like coloring. I think it's a great way to just relax and keep your hands busy. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put that back. Oh, wait, I didn't even see the card. Oh, I love this. This has such totally retro vibes. I love it. Cool. Okay, we shall read that later. Let's see. Okay. So we got the Glossier rosebomb.com. So I'm excited I got rose. I really like rose as a scent, or, whatever. It's really good for you. Doesn't smell at all, but I'm going to give it a little. So it comes out like that. So there's a little, oh, it's, it reminds me of Vaseline. I'm gonna put this on because I don't have anything on my lips right now. Ugh. Super moisturizing. I guess there's no color in this. It's alright. I feel like this would be something good for, before or after you go, waking up or going to sleep, or maybe after you shower. But I'm not crazy about this applicator. I'm not a fan about applying things with my fingers. I just think it's kind of yuck. But I've always wanted to try something from this brand, so that's cool. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, we have a facial detox clarifying clear mask from Gold Faden MD. I don't know if I'm saying that right. For oily and acne prone skin. I absolutely love face masks. You can never have enough face masks. Yeah, I'm happy about this. I'm excited to try it. I think this is a generous amount. I think it's filled all the way up to about here. So that's a generous amount. I'm cool with that. I'm excited to try it. And last, we have, oh my goodness, this is so tiny. This is the Sex Kitten eyeliner from Tarte. I knew that I was getting a sample of this, but damn, I didn't know it was going to be this small. That is so tiny. Okay, that was weird. I thought when I pulled it out, I thought that, I just didn't think it was going to be like that when I pulled it out for some reason. Let's actually see how much product we get. Oh, we get that much product. You know, there's good and bad things about receiving something like this, because I could try this and see if it's something I actually would really want to buy from Tarte, you know, being that Tarte is a little bit on the pricier side. Okay, I mean, I know I'm going to use it. I know I'm definitely going to use it. I love black eyeliner. But let's give it a swatch. I want to see what it feels like. Okay, so it's good. It's not like jet super black, but yeah, we'll have to try it on and see how it goes. So yeah, that was everything in my Ipsy bag. I'm pretty excited. I think the most thing I'm excited for is probably the fan brush, because I really need a new fan brush. I have a fan brush right now from e.l.f. and it is just, it's ready for the garbage. It's done. So this is super exciting to have something like this as part of my collection. I'm also really excited about the face mask, because I just love trying new masks, and I just feel like skincare is really important to me and things like that. And I'm also excited about the cream and powder highlight. That's cool stuff. I mean, we'll see how it plays out on my skin. But yeah, that's everything. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I want to be posting new videos more often, and, you know, unboxing and things like that. And it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and it would mean a lot. Soon I'm going to be getting the Sephora Play box, which is another $10 box. And I want to know what's the better value, Ipsy or Sephora Play. So I'm going to hopefully be doing an unboxing of that as well. So thank you again for watching. Bye.